Hello everyone, welcome back to a new analysis video. Today we will be covering StrongBlock because as you know today is March 29th, so there's going to be a big update that's going to be coming out maybe later on in the day, but I believe this is going to have a big impact on StrongBlock, and we're just going to take a review on what's happening with the current price and where I see price going up to hopefully when the announcement comes out and everything is very well, okay? So if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. And let's get into the video. Okay, so just taking a look at StrongBlock and what's happening right now. We stated that before we were in a downtrend, okay? As you can see, big downtrend here in the 1 hour. We're talking about 1 hour because I believe it's important to take a look at what's happening at the longer time frame in order for you to be able to distinguish what's going to happen in the shorter one, okay? So we take a look here at the RSI levels. We see that there is a big major flag here. We have big resistance here at these levels, okay? But if you take a look at the previous analysis that we did, we stated that this is a good support zone, okay? And thankfully, price did respect that zone. As you can zoom in here, price respected that zone at these levels because we can see also here at the RSI, we were indicating some divergence that happened. So there was going to be a big reversal that's occurring. We can also see that price wicked out of these zones here at these levels. So we were in this range of market in the 1 hour. Price went back down here at the 110 level. Price never closed up there again, but came and did another rebalance at 110, and which indicated this was a heavy support. Okay, and now take a look at this. Okay, price. Look how many times price bounced out of this 110. Price never wanted to close down here. Okay, so that's how we're indicating that price was respecting the zone because it went up there once, twice, and 3 times, and then the last time here with the 4th one, okay? So not twice or 3 times, but 4 times that price went back down to these levels and never wanted to close to the order block that we have on the bottom here at about 107. So this was why this was a huge factor, an indication that price was at a premium level and investors wanted to come in and drive the price up, okay? So let's take a look at what happened, okay? So we can take a look here. We saw that there was a double top here. And so it was indicating that there was going to be a reversal. But since we had a huge uptrend here, as you can see, and this is an ascending triangle, okay? So this is a bullish momentum pattern that we can take a look at. Price went back down here at these zones at about 116 at the ascending triangle, okay? So take a look at this pattern and memorize it, okay? So with this pattern here, we were indicating that once we broke out of this zone, you see how we broke this at about 120? And once we broke out of it, look at this bullish momentum that we saw. And also take a look at the levels of volume. They were increasing, okay? Look at the increase in volume here. So this was why a good indication of buys and a lot of bullish momentum that happened. But now if you take a look at what's happening here in the longer time frame, if we scroll down to here, we can see that price is currently at a heavy support here at these levels, okay? 139. So also in the 1 hour, we can see another reversal here of a downtrend, as you can take a look. So where do I see price happening? Okay, so we can see that price did respect these zones here, okay? So from the momentum that happened in the bullish momentum at these levels here of about, let's see, 124, this is creating a heavy support level, okay? We see that price never closed up there. So we're currently in a downtrend for the 1 hour, but that doesn't mean anything, okay? We see that price did a double bottom here at 122, so it was indicating that this is a good level, and investors are coming in and believing this is the premium levels. So they're coming in, noting up and compounding the rewards. But now, what could happen? Okay, keep in mind that we were in this zone here for quite some time, and we created another support at the 115 level. So this is another level of heavy support here. Okay. So if announcement comes out and a lot of investors and the announcement and the CEO, the things that come out are not as expected, then we could see price break out of these zones here. And so right here, we could see price rally back down and then retest these levels of 122 before coming back down at these premium levels here at about 116. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully the announcement, everything that comes out is as expected and even better than expected. And once that happened, hopefully we could break out of these zones here and then retest back these levels here of about 133 before coming back to 139 and breaking the bullish momentum for the 1 hour, okay? And if we do see that happening, that'll be great, okay? Because we could break out of this zone here. If we do break out of these zones, retest back here at about 128, and then go back to these heavy supports here. But keep in mind, these are order blocks here as well. So it's going to be very important to understand that it's going to be difficult to break out of the zones. But if we do break out of it here and then retest back at about 140, then we can hopefully see good momentum back to about 150, and then another bullish momentum to the upside of about 164. But 164 will be later on, because as you see, there's also major resistance levels at these levels here. So just keep your hopes up, but at the same time, let's be realistic, okay? Let's first hope for 151 and then create support at these levels before breaking into the resistance levels of the upside here of about 165. Let's just keep in mind that we're still in a downtrend, as we can see. So if we do draw from the resistance level of 164 to these levels here, we're still in the downtrend, okay? So we need to break out of this falling knife that we see here, okay? And if we do break out of it, hopefully we could see bullish momentum and to the upside, okay? But just keep in mind these zones here. 108 is very crucial, because this is where the rally happened up here, okay? And then look at these prices. It came back to these pricing here of about 109. So there's still a little bit of gap here of 106. Hopefully we don't see price coming back ever again to 106, but just have in mind that hopefully everything is as expected with a strong block announcement today, and we could hopefully see a breakout of this pattern here of the downtrend, and then retest back of 140 before creating support. And I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Keep in mind that the strong block announcement is today, like I said, so have that in your calendar. And without any further ado, stay blessed and take care.